Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has now nearly reached that next target at 3,268 once we have the third wave completed, and it already is a 5-wave move in wave C of 3 with an extended 5th wave. We can add the support region for wave 4. It would take a break below that last swing low at 2,990 to indicate the third wave is topped. But we want to directly take a look at the daily chart. I think it's very important to not lose sight of the bigger picture. And the overall idea is that, as you know, we're still getting one more high. That's the idea. I mean, in this cycle, one more all-time high. And the idea was that either directly or after one more low, this could happen. We could still get another low. I mean, that would be an epic trap, wouldn't it? I mean, it is possible. Why is it possible? Because anything is possible in markets. And there is still space in this support area. But it's also not unlikely, given that this is a 3-wave move up only. I just want to highlight, don't be surprised, if the market gives us another dip in wave Y of 4. That's possible, right? It doesn't have to happen. And I wouldn't, it's not the primary wave count. It's marked with a question mark. And it's, as long as we are in a local uptrend anyway, there's nothing that would indicate this is happening. But the structure is very fragile. Okay, so I just want to mention that. However, if the next pullback occurs, I will see it as a wave 4 in this possible 5-wave pattern in a very ugly leading diagonal in wave A of 5, which has started to develop in August. Why is it a diagonal pattern? Well, because it's the only way how you can interpret this move up. It's very much overlapping, super messy structure. Now we know that cryptos usually start rallies from very ugly structures, and that's why we have these levels on the chart where if you're not, if you don't want to follow the structures too much or not get too much focus, or you don't want to get too focused on the microstructures, simply look at the levels and you would have found your entry here. Because the idea was that the bullish thesis on the long-term chart is valid as long as we're holding 1,790. And now that we get these nice movements here, and it is a decent move up, we just need to understand what are the relevant support levels. And as I said, I gave you already a level on the 1-hour chart. But once we break below that, I will add support for this internal 4th wave. Wave 4 and 1 are allowed to overlap in diagonals. The third wave is on its way to the next target that I communicated in the last video, late yesterday, 3,268. Next upside target is around 3,511 then. The first ideal target for a third wave is the 138% extension. That's not a surprise. That's what I always communicate. And 161.8 extension is not surprising either. That's just a standard extension. So I will add the next ones as well, just so that you have the next levels to watch. I mean, for now, the local trend is up. We've just only reached the first ideal target, not quite yet even. It just needs a few more dollars to the upside to reach that, but we're pretty much already there. I just want to highlight that, of course, further extensions are possible. We need a break below some kind of a swing low on the 1-hour chart to indicate a local top, and then I will add support. So looking good for the crypto sector. Please note, however, that an A wave can be a 3-wave move, so it might be that the A wave tops here as well, but it wouldn't make a great difference for the next pullback. Just that a B wave might go a little bit lower than the wave 4. Yeah, not necessarily expected though. Definitely worth keeping an open mind, however. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.